Well, this is severe tropical cyclone Sean. Right now as a Category 4 tropical cyclone on the Australian scale, but a Category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. This storm could be dangerous if it gets near land, but thankfully it's looking like that it will go away from land. And go down and become ex-tropical cyclone, which is what people are projecting, or maybe it will just keep on intensifying, because right now it's sitting at 130 miles per hour. So, and 936 millibars of pressure, which means, and this storm could be dangerous if it gets near land. The wind speeds. And also, if I check the wind, as you can see, it will have a Category 4 status, and it will keep on being Category 4, but then it downgrades to a Category 3, then to a Category 1, and then to a tropical storm by Wednesday. And it will become a tropical storm by Wednesday. And by the wind speeds, let's go back to today. By the wind speeds, as you can see, it looks like as you can see those little lines going all over the eye that's spinning so fast, because that's where the highest winds are. The eye is where the highest winds are. So basically right now there's high winds in the center of the eye, the eye wall. And we can see Exmouth getting 26 mile per hour winds going downwards. I think going downwards. Going northeast. I hope I'm getting that correct. Northeast. The winds are going for Exmouth, which is on the side of Western Australia. So yeah, this storm could affect the areas of Western Australia if its path changes and goes onto land. But the possibilities of that happening are kind of low, but some are low, some are high. So let's go to the forecast cone provided by the JTWC. As you can see, the forecast cone by the JTWC is showing the system definitely go near Perth, Australia, as an ex-tropical cyclone. Some of that, and the cone is also really big. And it's also really near the Southwest Indian Ocean, which is, and once that it reaches, near Perth right there, they'll have, which is on the 24th of this month, it's going to be at 30 kilobits, I think, which is some other thing, I don't know. Kilobits maybe. Never heard of that wind speed before, but as you can see, currently it is strengthening along with that purple. And as you can see, it shows right here now that the forecast is no, it's not. Okay, so 30 knots is what it's going to be as an ex-tropical cyclone. Then up here right now, I think, is 115 knots, and then it's going to downgrade to 105 knots, and then 185, then 85 knots, then 65 knots, 50 knots, 40 knots, and then 30 knots when an ex-tropical cyclone near Perth, Australia, right there. So this has been your update on severe tropical cyclone Sean, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.